Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and this is my first video. I'm going to be going through AutoCAD with you guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments below. As you can see at the top, I'm using Bandicam's free version. So for now, that's what's going to be up at the top, that banner. I'm not sure if I'm going to change or get a new program, but if you have any suggestions, definitely leave comments below. Let's get started. Alright, now we're here in AutoCAD. I'll show you guys. Let's fix this screen here. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, which I've already done, but first thing you're going to do is open New Drawing. And you'll end up doing that. There, it'll come up and you can do different items. But I usually start out, you can do different model structures, different. I always go with Imperial. And what I've learned is the best way to go. But I already got one open, so and also you can also go here. When you first open it, it'll give you options, and you can go to Imperial or they have Global and Metric. But we're gonna get back to Imperial because that's what we're going to use. Today we could probably do some easy things. I guess I could show you some walls. The best design to do there, and just go here and click walls. As you can see, you have a good amount of options. Let's see what we're going to go with right now. Let's just go with a regular 4 inch. Alright, so obviously you know how to click and pull and drag. Now a good thing would be to, let's see, what are we going to make this room size? Let's make it 10 by 12. So you're going to do your keypad and then do that for feet, and then you can go back and you can do that 4 inches. Okay, so there. So now we're going to zoom in because let's try that again. Let's do. It's really finicky. I just downloaded this version, so I haven't set up any of the mouse tricks yet, which I can show you, which will help you a lot. So we're going to do the foot. And the mouse is definitely going to be finicky until you set it up. And you can also do a trick. If you type in C and then enter, it will close it. But we don't want to do that. Now we don't have anything. Scroll back out. It's all gone. That's also another way. If you double click on the mouse wheel, if you have a mouse wheel, if you double click, it will come to the center of the screen and back. So we're going to get 4 again over here, and there we go. We're going to do another 10 inches. Let's just make this again. We're not doing inches, I just said inches before doing feet. And then we can do our trick, which is C and enter. Alright, so now, well, let me show you that. Look at that. See, if you double click your mouse wheel, you double click. So if you're out here and you're trying to find something, Oh, there it is. Let's get closer to it. There we go. And you can scroll out a little bit because it's kind of close. And we can also add. I'm gonna do some easy stuff right now. Let's see. As you can look over here on your tool palette, you have your door, you have your windows, you have other components. And you can click down here and you can see you have FF and E and space. Let's look at some FF and E. Well, we'll do that after. Let's get some doors on this thing. Let's get some doors on this room. Alright, so we have a hinged single. Don't really want a cased opening because this is just going to be an indoor room. So we'll bring it over here and pick our wall. Now what you'll do is you'll slide it back and forth. Figure out where you want it. We're gonna put it kind of to the side here. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna edit it, the door. So you're gonna click it, and then you can drag it, click, and then also this arrow will make it an out, and then you can also make it like that. But we're gonna put it in because it's gonna be like a bedroom. There we go with that trick again. Double clicking on that mouse wheel. Okay, so now we have a door. What else should we get? Okay, let's go with some windows. Let's give them some sunshine. A picture window. Let's just go with that. Oh, that's actually good. Let's get a double hung because that's an average window there. Huh? It's a little slow. Okay, there we are. And click. Let's have 2 windows. Also another trick too. As you can see, these windows here are not going, like that one's inside the wall for some reason. Once we fix our mouse, that should help with the setup, but you can obviously easily go in and out and scoot it over. And you can also set it, which I will add more detail in. Alright, well I want you to come over here and look. We have our basics information about this window. The layer is 0. Obviously we'll tell you about layers at some point, because you'll need to know the way to change the type of layer. Now it's in 0, and then also changing it in different colors, in def points, but that'll make it different color. As you can see from this window, it's at 0. In this window we put in def points, but all you have to do is go in and select that. Whoops, selected too much. And then you go back in here where it's layers and you can put it back at 0. That will eventually be a really good tool and very useful. When we have another video, I'll show you more about layers.